Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this video where we discuss the final 3 important words for the understanding of food design thinking. These 3 words for this video will be eating experience, eating event, and eating situation. So these 3 words are specific to food design thinking, but make sure to watch the second and first video also, where we will go through some very important words that are general to any design discipline, but definitely also very important for food design thinking. In general, if you want to be a food designer, I think it's important for you to learn how to use these words. An eating situation is any situation where there are people interacting with food. Eating at a restaurant, drinking a coffee in a cafe, and buying a sandwich are all eating situations. But also you having your dinner at home, or having lunch on your desk while at work, having popcorn at the cinema or a picnic at the park. These are all eating situations. An eating event or a food event is an eating situation that was purposefully designed. This is an eating situation where the food designer designed all aspects influencing the experience, from food to location, environment, lighting, cutlery, music, service staff behavior, and any additional entertainment. An eating experience or a food experience is people's experience of food, of a product, a service, or an event. An eating experience is the response of the body and mind interacting with the stimuli around.